Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cool Breeze. Now, this isn't my usual type of video, but I feel I must correct an injustice. Can opener. Now, I'm watching this show over here, okay? It's called The Victims of Cooking with Jack, right? Now, at the beginning of the video, this happens. This can opening. And then let me take it a step further to go with that, okay? Hold on. I don't have the sound for the... Can I even do this properly? Am I allowed? I don't know. Well, guess we're gonna find out. So... Shit. Oh, I can't change it! Oh, wait. I know what to do. Give me a moment. Okay, here we are. Now, here's a how-to, okay? Look at how they show you to open this can opener. That is wrong. You do not use a can opener that way. Now, let's go back to the video for a second, okay?
Color of his
If
walls.
you notice here on the can, I have cut it and it's sinking in a little bit.
No, don't do that.
Don't open the can all the way so it sinks in. The top is super dirty.
Oops,
I highly
shit.
doubt you wiped
Sorry.
it off. You're getting that into your food. Ugh.
Let's go back. I forgot I made myself full screen.
Can, I have cut it and it's sinking in a little bit.
No, don't do that.
Don't open the can all the way so it sinks in. The top is super dirty. I highly doubt you wiped it off. You're getting that into your food. Ugh. You know how long some of these cans sit on the shelves and in the boxes in the factory, so on and so forth.
I've gotten rid of the lid now. I drained all the juice.
So,
You didn't have to show us the
and
lid.
then
almost correct, all right? Now, here's the problem. It's not how you do it. Now, I don't have a fresh can of food right now, okay? Now, I've got my can opener. As you can see, it's a standard, regular can opener, and they're telling you to do this. That's wrong. You do this, see? And then when you're done, you have the can lid in your hand. You never touch the can lid. And you can't be cut from the can. Absolutely 100% safe. This is wrong. They're absolutely wrong. They have no idea. Why does no one know this? It blew my mind. And I'm like, what? It's not how you do it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Maybe you can tell me. Did any of you know this? So let me demonstrate it on the bottom end. Doing this just creates a sharp edge. Do this, watch. Now, the bottom of the can is much harder to open, but get my drift. And when you're done, you just sort of spin it up. Yeah, I can't get a good... On the bottom, it's so hard. Why? Okay, there we go. I'm getting it. There we go. Okay. Come on. Just a bit more. Yeah, it's so hard on the bottom. Anyways, there we go. And presto. Never touch the can lid. Of course, I didn't get it cut all the way, but it's safe to touch. You can't cut yourself. I don't know. Yeah, I'll get it later. I just had to share that with you. Hopefully it'll help some of you people stay safer with a can opener. Fuck me. Anyways, that's all I got for you in this. I'm a gaming channel, not a cooking channel. It's just I discovered this like 5 minutes ago when I woke up. I haven't even brushed my hair. Anyways, so that's all I got for you. My name is Cool Breeze. Why don't you come over and check out my gaming videos? All right, guys? Happy can opening. Bye, guys. Fuck me.